Want to move in Pokémon Go without walking? Here's a quick way to do it. Step 1. Download MagFone Location Changer on your PC. Head to the MagFone official website and download the Location Changer app. It works on both Windows and Mac OS. Step 2. Prepare your iPhone for the location change. After installing the tool, enable location services on your iPhone for accurate tracking. Also, make sure developer mode is turned on. Step 3. Move in Pokémon Go without walking using MagFone Location Changer. Connect your iPhone to the PC using a USB cable and launch MagFone Location Changer. Click Start. Then go to the third tab to simulate movement on the map. You can add multiple points to create a route. If you select one by mistake, just delete it like this. To make the movement look more natural in Pokémon Go, adjust the walking speed to your preference. Once ready, hit Start Moving to begin your virtual journey. If you need a break, tap pause and resume whenever you want. MagFone supports both Android and iOS devices. If this helped, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.